Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sabit Aliasan. I'm from class 12A, number absent 12. Today I will presentation about narrative text. First slide is what is narrative text? Narrative text is the type of that tells chronological story in the past tense. Narrative text tell imaginative story or modified real story, and it is usually written in the past tense. Narrative text can be imaginative story like fairy tale or legends, but it can also be based on real event that are modified to be more interesting. Type of narrative text: novel, short story, biography, and news stories. All of these tell event story to the readers. The important thing that narrative text focus on telling a sequence of event with the real imaginary and in an engaging way. Okay, next slide. The purpose. The aim narrative text is to entertain the readers. The readers talk the amazing stories. For example, fairy tale and fable are meant to make us enjoy the story, but narrative text can also have other purpose. It might teach moral lesson, inspire the reader, or even provide information in the form of storytelling. So, while the entertainment in the main aim, there are often hidden messages inside the story. Next is element. Every narrative text has important element that build the story, plot, the sequence, even from beginning to end, character, the people, animal, or being in the story, setting, the place and time when the story happens, theme, the central idea or the big message, conflict, the problem that the character face, resolution, how the problem is solved. Without this element, a narrative text would not feel complete or interesting. The kind Part 1. There are many kind of narrative texts. The first group include fairy tale, magical story like Cinderella or Snow White, often starting with Once Upon a Time. Mystery story with puzzles or secrets to solve, often involving detective or investigation. Science fiction story about the future, technology, or space, such as robots or time travel. Romance story about love and relationship, full of emotion and drama. Slide Next slide. The kind part 2. The next group include horror, the story that are scary without ghosts or monster, meant to frighten the readers. Fable story where animals act like human, usually with a moral lesson. For example, the tortoise and the hare, adventure existing story full of action, danger, or journey where the hero faced the challenge. Folklore, traditional story passed down through generation, often explaining culture or beliefs. Next slide. Folklore type. Folklore itself can be divided into three main types: mytheha, myths, ancient story about gods, supernatural beings, or the origin of the world. For example, Greek mythology or the story Dewi Sri, folk tale, simple cultural story, often with legend about daily life. Legend story about heroes or the origin of a place. For example, the Indonesian story of Sangkuriang and Mount Tangkuban Parahu. Next slide. Next slide. Alright, now let's look at the generic structure of narrative text. I want to tell about the story of Prince and Cinderella. No. First is orientation. Orientation, this is the introduction of the story where we meet the character and setting. For example, once upon a time there's lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella who lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters who treat him badly. Next slide. Complication. This is when the problem appears. For example, one day the king invited all young ladies to a royal ball. Cinderella wants to go, but her stepmother forbade her. Okay, next slide. Evolution, the suspense or climax of the story. For example, Cinderella was very sad until fairy godmother appeared and gave her magical gown and carriage, but she wanted Cinderella with magic would at midnight. Okay, next slide. Resolution. The problem solved. At the ball, princess danced with Cinderella and fell in love. At midnight, she ran away, leaving her glass slipper. The princess searched and found the prince searched and found that slipper fit only Cinderella. Okay, next slide. Reorientation. Next slide. Reorientation or coda. The closing or moralism. For example, the prince married Cinderella and they live happily ever after. The story teaches us that kindness and passion are always reward. Okay, next slide. Language feature. Narrative text, especially language feature, it's usually use simple past tense because the story already happened. It use adverb of time like once upon a time, then suddenly or finally. It use many adjectives to describe people and place. For example, beautiful girl, clever, brave. It use noun phrases like brave, little girl, or scary dark forest. This language feature help make the story more vivid and enjoyable for the readers. Okay, thank you. This we can call the narrative text is type of the text that entertain the readers with a story. It has clearly structure, important element, and unique language feature. Hopefully this presentation helps us understand native text better. Thank you for your attention, and I apologize for any mistakes in my explanation. See you. Goodbye.